How to put multiple photos in one frame in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can add multiple photos in a single frame using your Canva. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, open up your Canva. So after you're on canva.com, let me just go back here. And after you're on your canva.com, make sure you're logged in. So from here, you can choose whichever you want. I'll just go with social media since multiple photos in a single frame must likely be for social media. So I'll just select social media here and select Instagram. Then select, let's say, Instagram post. After that, Canva will redirect you to another design page. After you here, what you need to do is here you can search for multi photo frame. Then after you search for that, you will find different frames here. So if you don't find the one that you like, you can always just change it here. So you can simply search for photo frame and you'll find different templates. So let me search for fun. Okay. So if you search for multiple picture frame, you will find a lot of different options available. So you can choose any one fancy ones like this, or you can choose a simple one like this. So let's go ahead with the simple one first. So find the one that you like. You can find multiple photos frame like this or this or this. I'll just move on with this. After you do that, here you'll find the photo. You can simply delete the picture from here. You select this, tap on the delete option, and delete image, not the grid. After you delete the image, you'll have a placeholder here where you can upload your picture. So head over to the upload section and find the photo that you want to upload. Then click on it. And after it appears here, you can simply drag it and drop it to the section that you want it at. So let me do that for other pictures as well. I can simply drag it and place it right here. Do the same here. And that's basically it. And you can finally download it after you are fine with the picture. Tap on share, then tap on download. Then you can download it as PNG. Tap on download finally, and you're good to go. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.